It's an Ultra Z. It's what's your name? Hobby King sells it as a rad jet. It comes in two different configurations. This used to be sold by some random company, Zeta. It's called an Ultra Z. Whoa, wait, the wind started blowing that way?
Tailwind. Wind direction is changing.
I think it's gonna go back around. I hope it does, because I might have to hand launch into that way. So I have to go from the right. I have to go that way.
I wonder why this plane is coming in so hot.
Yeah. All right. There you go.
The wheels on that thing though, when you land, it just sticks. And on takeoff, it sticks and sticks, and then when it's ready to rotate, it just jumps.
Wind switched.
All of a sudden, a whole bunch of zinc came on, and I was like, oh, wait a minute. And I got lucky.
It's totally cross. Maybe I'll head over to that end. Launch it that way. Because I don't like launching with the tailwind.
You see those pallets up there in my hawk canopy?
Yeah, that's too much. Oh, I did. I saw the female pilot in the back.
Didn't gain much nosebleed, surprisingly.
It won't.
No, that was a joke.
I see what you're saying, young man. Okay, I'm crossing for a second. Okay, hand launching. Crossing. Yeah, that's a little hot rod right there. That thing's gonna scream.
Well, what do you usually launch the rocket?
I'll do it right here at the down low. I gotta do one more pass. I'm getting trimmed.
Cool.
I'll do it from there. Okay, guys, I got a little rocket launch here in a second. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, low pass and rocket launch.
Ready to take your eyes off of that island again. Oh, that was awesome.
I did. I yelled it 3 times.
That was awesome, dude.
Do it again. I guess I scared him. I'm sorry. The guy with the F-18. I yelled it like 3 times.
Yeah. It's quiet, the little thing.
I used to have a different fan in it and it was fast already, but now you can't even hear it. Okay, landing from the left. Thank you, Ricky.
Oh yeah, that's crossed.
All right. Oh. I kept yelling like 4 times. I'm all rocket launch in 3 cents.